Turn PDFs into infographics using NotebookLM. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn PDFs into infographics using NotebookLM. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open NotebookLM in your browser and sign in with your account. After that, create a new notebook so you can add your research sources. Now upload the PDF file that you want to convert into an infographic. You can simply drag and drop the PDF into the source section. Once the PDF is uploaded, wait a few seconds for NotebookLM to analyze the document. Next, go to the chat or notes section and ask NotebookLM to summarize the key points from the PDF. After the summary appears, ask NotebookLM to organize the information into sections such as headings, statistics, and key highlights. Now request NotebookLM to convert those key points into an infographic outline, including titles, icons, and visual sections. Once the outline is generated, copy the structured information provided by NotebookLM. Finally, paste that outline into a design tool like Canva or Adobe Express to quickly create your infographic using the provided sections and visuals. That's all for the video.